The key for the bases is
pink is for adenine, which is a purine, paired with blue representing thymine, which is a pyrimidine.
yellow is for cytosine, which is a pyrimidine, and paired with the base guanine, a purine that is represented by the color green.
DNA takes the form of a double helix where the bases meet at the middle. Let's take a closer look when unshaping the DNA. The first step of DNA replication is separating the two strands.
This occurs with the enzyme helicase that breaks the hydrogen bonds that connect the bases and creates a replication fork.
The leading strand is 5' to 3'.
The lagging strand is 3' to 5'.
Primase creates a new strand of DNA by adding RNA bases called primer to start the new strand.
DNA polymerase connects to the primer to create DNA by adding DNA bases from 5' to 3'. For the lagging strand, the DNA polymerase creates chunks of DNA called Okazaki fragments.
These fragments start with RNA primer and DNA polymerase, and its bases go from 5 to 3.
The primase then goes farther down to create its RNA primer for the DNA polymerase to add another Okazaki fragment.
The enzyme exonuclease goes back and removes the RNA from both strands so that the DNA polymerase can go back and fill it in with DNA bases.
DNA ligase then seals up the pieces of DNA to create the new strands.
The new DNA is semi-conservative due to how one strand is the original strand and one strand is new.
The replication of DNA occurs in S phase of interphage, which is the most important factor of how things live, since all living things are made of cells, and cells will not be created without the replication of DNA.
Thank you for watching.